my name is Nathan Personius. I'm the Applications Engineer for Automatic Timing and Controls and Diversified Electronics. Today we're going to talk about the DTT-USD-100 True Off-Delay DIN Rail Mount Timer. This timer offers a time range from 0.1 seconds to 10 minutes, convenient screwdriver adjustment, 8 amp double pole double throw output relay, a space-saving 17.5mm DIN rail mount design, and is UL 508 listed, CE Reach and RoHS approved. This is typically used in load transfer applications where the loss of power is the control, making it ideal for emergency backup systems, safety circuits, and load transfer applications such as switchgear or backup generators. For more information on the DTT-100 True Off-Delay Timer from Automatic Timing and Controls and Diversified Electronics, check it out at galco.com.